Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the background of a photo in just a minute. So what we do is we go to the Dropspace dashboard. Here we're going to have this upload area and we click on it. We go to the image we want to upload. Let me search for something. Let's go with this one. We upload the image and here it is. We click remove background and voila, the background is removed. Now we can either save it as a JPEG and the background will be white. We have different options here, PNG to make it transparent, or WebP as well, transparent as well. We can optimize it for web. Just click this button and download it. But for this purpose, we want to do something else because we want to add something in the background. So we go to templates. And as you can see, I already did it. We can here, if we want a different size, now it's 1920 pixels and 1080. So if you want, you need to change this from the start. Now let's click on the image. It's gonna load in the editor. We click on it and arrange it a bit. And now we go to backgrounds, search here for beach, click on this image because I like this one, and as you can see the image loads on top of the other one, so I need to send it to the to back. So what do? I go here on this button and it's gonna show me the layers and the objects in the editor. I'm gonna click and hold and I'm just gonna take it here. Oh, like this. And now the image I processed is on the front and the background is in the back. What do I do now? Because I want it to look good, I'm gonna resize it a bit to fill the entire screen. Maybe take it a bit like this for the perspective to look even better. And that's about it. What I can do now is just download it from here, name it to something. As you can see, this is a PNG file. Save it. And this is the image with a new background. I think it looks great. I can use this as whatever I want. Profile image, or just say I was on vacation in Hawaii or something. Thank you very much. This was it, and see you next time.